Okay, this is today's SJ lesson, syllable juncture lesson. What you need to do today is you need to divide your page into quarters, to 4 parts. Alright. And if you're a little uneven, that's okay. I'm just using a ruler because I happen to have one, and I'm not even sure that helps me that much. Because I ended up with a big dip here. So, on this one, your upper left-hand corner, I want you to label verbs. Okay, and write an underline. Okay, and here you can also label it verbs or label it nothing. Okay, so if you're going to label it, please label it verbs. Okay, then over here, I want you to write add ing. And then over here, I want you to write drop E plus ing. Okay, so these are your choices here. And I'm going to give you a word, and I want you to put it in one of the categories. Alright? Give me a thumbs up when your setup is ready. Okay, looks like most of you are there. I'll wait just another second. Okay, thank you for those of you who gave me a thumbs up. Okay, we are going to get started. Your first word is eat. Eat. I'm going to eat cake. Eat. Okay, you want to put that right in here. It's a verb. And then I want you to put eating. 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 I am eating pretzels. And that's going to go right over here. So when you do this, I want you to put the verb in the correct spot that it's going to go with, either beside drop E, add ing, or just add an ing. So that's going to kind of be what you think. Alright, so your next, I'll give you 2 at a time so it's easier to think about. I want you to do use and using. I will use my pencil for the spelling test, and I am using my pencil right now. Use and using. So you write that right where you think it goes. Right, it's going to go right here. Use and using. Alright. So just check it and make sure we're doing the same thing here. Your next one is close and closing. Please close the door. I am closing it right now. Close and closing. Okay, so think about it. Do you just add an ing, or do you have to drop an e off somewhere? Close and closing, we have to drop an e off. Okay, so you want to check that. Close and closing. See how the e just disappears? Alright. Your next one is moan and moaning. Please don't moan when I give you your homework. I hear you moaning. Alright, moan and moaning. Moan does not have an e on the end to begin with. So we're going to write it right here. And then all we're going to do is simply add ing to that. Moan and moaning. Your next word is dream and dreaming. Dream and dreaming. I had a bad dream last night. And what are you dreaming about right now? Dream and dreaming. Hopefully it's about spelling. Okay, dream does not have an e on the end of it. So we're going to put it right here. And dreaming's going to go over here. Dream and dreaming. And your next word is wave and waving. Wave and waving. Please wave goodbye to your friend. And I am waving goodbye right now. Wave and waving. When you write wave, hopefully you notice the e on the end. Get rid of that e. And start waving goodbye. Okay? Your next words are write and writing. Please write your words neatly. And I am writing my words as neatly as I can. Write and writing. Alright, and right here you got it. Write has an E on the end. If you write it correctly. And then you drop that E and you add ing for write and writing. Your next word is meet and meeting. Meet and meeting. Well, hello, it's nice to meet you. Yes, it was very nice meeting you too. Meet and meeting. Okay, so please don't put any E's on the end there. Just a T on the end. And then you add ing to that to make meeting. Right? Your next word is clean and cleaning. Clean and cleaning. Please clean the classroom. And my friend is already cleaning. My friend is already cleaning. It goes right here. Clean and cleaning. Alright, your next word is trade and trading. Trade and trading. Please do not trade in this classroom. I am not trading anything ever again. Trade and trading. Hopefully when you write trade, you notice the E on the end, and that you've got to get rid of that E so that you can make it trading. Next one, skate and skating. Skate and skating. Do you like to skate? I am skating right now. Skate and skating. When you write skate, hopefully you saw there was an E on the end. Then you dropped it. And you changed it to skating. And last but not least, mail and mailing. Please mail this letter for me. I'm mailing it right now. Okay, I'm going to put it right over here. There's no E on the end of mail. Mail and mailing. Okay, so you want to be able to know which ones drop the E and which ones just add ing. And it's a pretty good bet if the verb, the action word, has an E on the end of it, you're going to drop it. You're going to get rid of it so that you can just so that you can then add ing to it. So that is our spelling lesson for today.